Welcome back with another video. First of all, thanks for watching my videos. Today I am going to teach how to add scenes or background in Animiz animation maker. Firstly, you can open your Animiz animation maker. Then you can see this window. Just go to your left hand side. There is, you can see new MD project. Just click on it. Now you can see in your left hand side there is new scene. Click on it. You can see now there is, if you want to add any blank scene, you can add from there, or else you can add countryside, fantasy, festival, health and medical, modern indoor, modern outdoor, natural, others. We'll check this one. There is, you can see now there is beer snow, blue sky. In modern indoor there is beach at night, beach, beautiful sky and street, health and medical. There is also various available. Consulting room, there is laboratory, junk food, sick room, medical room. Okay, let's go, because we want to create a blank scene. How we can create a blank scene? Just go to blank scene, then click on it. After that, you can come left hand side, there is background. Just click on it. After that, come to under default camera. You can see there is one plus button. That means adding button. Okay, just click on it. Now you can see there is symbol, image background. There is landscape image background, person image background, there is video, line and others. Whatever you want, I will show you how we can do. Now we need, which one better? We need, no. Okay, we'll take this background. First, choose the file. Okay, I am going to choose this one. Just click. Okay. Now you can see that one, whatever we choose, that one appeared here. Okay. Thanks for watching my videos. Keep on support me. Bye.